So I kept finding these 3 kittens in my garage every morning for like 2 weeks. Same spot every time, just sitting there waiting for something. I'd move them back outside, and by the next day, they were back again. Super weird behavior, even for strays. I started leaving food out because they looked pretty rough. That's when I noticed they weren't just random cats hanging around. They had this whole routine. They'd eat together, sleep in this exact same pile, never wandered off separately. It took me forever to figure out what they were actually doing there. Turns out their mom used to live in that corner before she got hit by a car. The neighbors told me she'd had them in that exact spot where I kept finding them. They were going back to the last place they remembered being safe with her. Just 3 babies trying to go home to something that wasn't there anymore.